Hello and welcome. You're watching Next IAS English. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic for environment as well as science and tech perspective. Now this news is coming straight up from Rajasthan, Sariska Tiger Reserve. The news is that Sariska has deployed drones to monitor tiger population and illegal activities in the wildlife reserve. So that is again a very big step, may it be for technology in conservation and also for our environment perspective as well. So let's deep dive and understand. Firstly, let us understand the UPSC relevance of this topic and why this is relevant for your UPSC examination. So this is important under environment and ecology, biodiversity, protected areas and Project Tiger as well. This is very important. Then there have been frequently asked questions in UPSC Prelims. There have been map based questions from tiger reserves, from national parks, and this is also very useful for mains perspective as well. Wildlife conservation, human wildlife conflict and technology in conservation, these are the very important keywords. Then there is Sariska is a case study also in tiger extinction and successful reintroduction. High conceptual value is there in this whole topic. And then there are current developments that make it a hot topic for UPSC current affairs. So this also is a part of current affairs, as you all know that the examination holds a very big, huge portion, huge chunk of current affairs. So again, it becomes very important and relevant. Moving forward, let us talk about the Sariska Tiger Reserve and what are the developments that has happened. So as I've already mentioned that these now people are using drones to check what is happening, to monitor all the animals there, and also if there are any illegal activities going on in the wildlife reserve. So again, that's a big step. Now let us understand about Sariska Tiger Reserve. So the location of the tiger reserve is Alwar district, Rajasthan, and the geography is that they are part of the Aravalli range and the Katiyarwala dry deciduous forest eco region, and the area of this reserve is 881 square kilometers. Please listen to this very properly, very attentively. Why? Because this is very important. Then the history is that former royal hunting ground of Maharaja of Alwar. So this used to be the former royal hunting ground of Maharaja of Alwar. Then it was declared a wildlife reserve in 1955, and then a national park in 1979, and then a tiger reserve again in 1979. And then there are unique achievements of Sariska Tiger Reserve as well. The achievements are first reserve in the world to relocate tigers after local extinction due to poaching in 2004. So tigers, as you all know that due to poaching, tigers got extinct in 2004. So they relocated tigers and it became the first reserve in the world to relocate tigers. Now the topography is, there is rocky hills, valleys, scrub thorn forest, semi-deciduous woodlands also, and grasslands are also there in the Sariska Tiger Reserve. Let us talk about the vegetation. It is dominated by dhok tree. Do remember this name. Very important. Sometimes there are questions from different trees, patterns, and Sariska Tiger Reserve also. So and then there are other species like salar, kadaya, gol, banyan, gugal, bamboo, kher and adusta. So these are all the other species of vegetation. And let us talk about fauna also. So there are tigers, which is the flagship of course. Then there are leopards, sambhar, cheetal, nilgai, four-horned antelope, wild boar, jackal, langur, reptile, and as well as bird species are there. So this is all about the Sariska Tiger Reserve. Moving forward, let us talk about the key sites and conservation concerns. So let us talk about what are the key sites of Sariska Tiger Reserve inside and around the Sariska. So Pandu Pole again becomes a key site. Then there is Bhangarh Fort. Again, it is a very it is a place that you must watch, see. And then there is Ajabgarh and Pratapgarh, and then Silisade Lake, and then Jai Samand Lake. So all these are key sites, important sites inside and around the Sariska Tiger Reserve. And then there are conservation concerns. Now this is where you need to give your most attention towards. So former tiger extinction in 2004. These are the conservation concerns that have been there in the Tiger Reserve. And then persistent poaching threats have also been there. This has become the biggest threat in most of the tiger reserves, and human wildlife conflict with nearby settlements. So people people are there nearby the reserve, so there is of course human wildlife conflict. And then habitat fragmentation due to mining pressures, historically significant issue. So again, habitat fragmentation is also there. And then there is need for modern monitoring with drones, camera traps, patrol strengthening, and that is exactly what the Tiger Reserve is doing. Now they are starting drones and camera traps, so they're starting doing this monitoring. That is why that is the whole topic about. Moving forward, let us talk about the MCQ for revision. So we have already discussed the whole topic. I have already told you that how Sariska Tiger Reserve is now using drones to monitor the wildlife as well as illegal activities inside the reserve. And now let us understand this MCQ. Let's see who was listening attentively. So the question is, which of the following statements about the Sariska Tiger Reserve is correct? Now you need to answer which of the following statements about the Sariska Tiger Reserve is correct. So A, it is located in Madhya Pradesh. B, it belongs to the Western Ghats moist deciduous forest ecoregion. C, it was the first tiger reserve to relocate tigers after local extinction. D, it was declared a tiger reserve in 2008. Do tell me which option A, B, C, D is correct in the comment section below. And that is it for today. We have covered this topic multidimensionally. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and of course comment this answer. And that is it for today. I will see you in another deep dive video. Until then, bye bye, take care.